All right, while going through the desk, I was able to find a shopping list. And on here we have both rope and something I've never heard of before called gutting gloves. Hello, YouTube. Can't believe it, 200 subscribers. That's about 190 more than I thought I'd ever have. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop kind of a special video. My grandparents' house is up for sale. Kind of a lot of my childhood memories are from here. Did a last walkthrough this summer, kind of late fall, and hope you enjoy it. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to add is I did do about 2-3 minutes down in the very creepy cellar that's got a little river that usually runs through it. And for whatever reason, that video is not on my phone. So I apologize. You'll see a short clip of me trying to go down there, find the light switch. And I did go video down there, but you ain't gonna see it. All right, shooting a video of my grandmother's house. Turned into my father's house that my uncle has been living in for the past 20 years. And he has moved out. So I'm gonna do a quick video. I have no idea what it looks like on the inside. Built at the turn of last century. Spent most of my childhood summers here. Would come in the door, grandmother would be there, and she'd always say how messy the house was. And of course it's pristine. And then I would ask her, what does it look like when it's clean? Here's the front porch. It's got all the windows, nice breeze through here during the summer. Does wrap around. Storage room. Check out the views here. Out of the back. Can see for miles. All right, let's go back in through the front door and look at the interior of the house. All right, again, coming from the front door, I always like this stained glass window, and it always did have this little ouch there. Would walk into a formal dining room, and that was off to the kitchen. Remember this floor for as long as I can remember. Just really cool built-in wooden cabinets. Corner sink. Really cool windows out through the porch to the outside. Got a refrigerator. And the only bathroom on the floor, it's kind of interesting, is right off the kitchen. All right, we'll go back through the kitchen into the living room. Kind of interesting layout because now off the living room is the downstairs master bedroom. Small little closet. 51 years old, and I've actually never been in this closet before. This was Grandpa and Grandma's bedroom, And you daresn't come into the bedroom. All right, off of the dining room is upstairs. So we'll go ahead and walk up there next. As I was growing up, I remember this being a wooden staircase. It's carpeted now, and my brother and I would take Lego cars and drive them off the top up here and see if they would still stay together. There are 3 bedrooms up here. Overlooking one of the 2 garages. Three bedrooms and then a workroom. So here is my grandfather's workroom where he would like make his own bullets and fish hooks and lures and things like that. Really cool that a lot of this is still here. Oh wow, a lot of tools. I don't know how to open those. Closet. Gun belt. And out here you can see the other pole shed, kind of the view of the scenery. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. There used to be a storage room right here, but that got taken down. I think it rotted or something. Their bedroom. Got some interesting things in the bedroom. Small little closet. And another smaller little bedroom. Oh wow. How cool is that? I remember these toys from when I was little. Wow. Big roomy closet. And then there is a bathroom upstairs. Medicine cabinet. All right, let's go down in the basement, which is pretty terrifying. All right, off of the kitchen was the downstairs, and this would be where the washer and dryer, the heater is, the light. I don't know where the light is. I guess this is what it looked like in its original state. That looks like a cool little porch up top. And you can see originally the porch was not enclosed. All right, let's just walk the property a little bit. Really nice front yard. Big, beautiful dying oak tree. We've got a old brick shed. Used to be heated by a wood fireplace thing that would sit here. And a lot of tools were kept here. And it was kind of my grandpa's shop. Oh. Had a craft sale at one time. That's pretty cool. Moving on to the back of the house. I think that must be the sump pump from the basement. Stairs going down into the basement. I believe there's a couple acres that belong to the house back there in that field. And the big shed. It's weird, it smells exactly how I remember it growing up. It's hard to describe. It's kind of a mix between gasoline and fish, like the slime on fish. And it's a very comfortable smell, unique to this garage. Anyway, that'll conclude this. I believe my father is going to be putting this up for sale. So I mainly made this video for me. Might be the last time I'm ever here. Hope some of the other 185 subscribers liked the little tour. And so forth.
Oh, he had a black powder rifle, right? Oh no, it is a fishing rod.
Another interesting find. Brownell's naturally refined sperm oil. Probably can't buy this anymore. And there are instructions.
Does it say you can't drink it?
Well, let's find out. All right, my brother wanted to see what's up in the attic in a 120-year-old house. I'm thinking it's a ghost, a bat, and a skeleton. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to do that. What's up there?
Insulation.
Can't be nothing up there. Maybe more.